5 important finance tips for small business owners. One of the first rules of entrepreneurship is you're never supposed to mix your business and personal finances. As a new small business owner, it pays to get educated about your personal finances. 1. Build an emergency fund. 2. Manage your personal credit. 3. Save for retirement. 4. Talk to a small business mentor. Fortunately, you don't have to go it alone. Mentors through SCORE, an SBA resource partner, can provide expert guidance. Based on their business experience, SCORE mentors can provide an objective second opinion when you confront a problem or need to make a tough call. Contact the U.S. Small Business Administration to start, grow, and scale your new venture. I have provided a link in the description. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit on the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.